What's up guys, back with another Twinmotion tutorial. I'm going to show you how to do a winter scene rendering in Twinmotion. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so the first thing that I want to do is get my scene set up. So I've already know what view I want, which we're going to use this view here. But as you can see, I have a stump that I found in the Twinmotion library, and also I have a painted axe. So I added this just before I did my rendering, just to kind of help set up the scene. And if you're curious, just for time's sake, if you're curious on where I found this, you can go up here to the search menu here, and you can put in axe. And Twinmotion offers a lot of different options here, and this is the axe that I used. And also, if you're curious about the stump that I use, you can put in stump as well. And they have different options. You got stump in the winter 01, you got rotten snow covered, you have a stump winter 02. I use stump in winter 01. So that's what you see right here. All right, so now that we got that out the way, let's go ahead and create this scene. All right, so as you know, you create your image by going to the add image. I've already created mine, so we're here in the composition that I want, and we're gonna go to environment. We're gonna look at our settings here. Right now, I'm gonna keep it at 1030 time of day. My sun intensity is at 100,000. Before we mess with the sun intensity, I want to go ahead and probably mess with the other options first. Usually I'll go sun intensity, but let's skip that for now. Let's go ahead and bring the winter feature in right now. So ideally, what you can do is just change the weather, right? You can just go ahead and slide it over, and you can see that Twinmotion automatically, effortlessly brings in snow. So now we have a scene that looks decent, but I want to actually show you guys how I was able to create a better looking scene using the weather winter feature. Okay, so guys, if you're liking this video, don't forget to smash that like button for me, and we're gonna use the path tracer, so stick around. All right, so now I'm going ahead and change the sun intensity. I'm gonna make that intensity, I'm gonna bring it down to 10. All right, so that changes up some things. We're gonna go down. I'm not gonna mess with any of these. I'm gonna go to ambient. I wanna crank that up some. All right. Everything else looks fine. On our location, I'm actually gonna leave our location the same. So our location is at 0 degrees, and that's fine. Here, I'm gonna change our month to December. All right, so it kind of, you see where the sun is. All right, so now I'm going to enable our HDRI environment. Okay. So now I'm going to go to backdrop HDRI instead of the sky dome. All right. So right now I'm currently using the Colloquium 01. I think that's how you pronounce that. If it's not, my bad. But you can see the HDRI that I use, which I use the Colloquium. Just kind of show you where it is. All right, so they have different type of Colloquiums. I got 01, 02, and therefore we use 01. All right, so now that I have that down, we're gonna go ahead and keep making some adjustments here. So my intensity is at 1. I want to bring down my intensity to 0.25. All right, my rotation, I'm gonna keep it at 45 degrees. Kind of looking at some details here. All right, so that's looking good so far. Let's go to our camera. Let's make some more adjustments here. So now we got our auto exposure checked, and I'm gonna leave that checked. For my exposure, I want to bring it down some. Right now it's at 1. I'm going to bring it down to 0.65. Just kind of give it, make it a little darker. All right, so our white balance at 6800K. I'm going to change it to 400K. Our local exposure, I'm going to leave that enabled. My highlights is at 1, shadows at 25. I like the way it looks so far. Let's keep it that way. Let's go to our focal length. Right now it's at 18. I want to kind of get in a little closer. All right. So now we are closer. Let's go down and look at our vignetting. Our vignetting, we have it at 50%. I've never done this before. I actually only use vignetting, which darkens the corners. All right. So for this particular rendering, I'm actually gonna maximize my vignetting in this scene. So I'm gonna do all the way to 100%. And trust me, it's gonna look better. Just stick around to the end and you'll see what I'm talking about. All right, so also, let's go ahead and look at our rendering. Path tracer, let's go to details. I want this to be on high. I'm gonna change that to 2048. Our max bounce, I'm gonna make it 30. We're gonna leave that missing materials checked and our denoiser checked, and our fireflies, we'll leave it at 10. Let's go back to our camera and let's look at our sharpness. Our sharpness at 50%. I'm gonna change that to 55%. We're gonna check our parallelism. All right, and in this one we're going to use our depth of field. You know what? No, we're not. We're going to use our film back. All right, so now I'm going to film back. I'm going to enable that, and I'm going to keep it at the full frame DSLR. All right, and we may come back and make some adjustments to that. All right, so I've already got my rendering settings good. Let's go to FX. Now for our contrast, we're at 50%. I'm gonna change our contrast to 45%. And our saturation, I'm gonna change that to 60%. All right, so now for our color gradient, we have it at Beauty 3. I'm gonna keep it at Beauty 3. I actually like the way it looks and how it brings out the sun in the background, the glow effect. So we'll keep it at Beauty 3. All right, so we didn't use a filter for this one, which is fine. We don't need one. All right, so now we go to our image format. Right now, just kind of letting you see what I have in the format. It's in custom because in our camera settings, we have our film back enabled. So anytime you have our film back enabled, this will be custom and it won't let you adjust it until you disable your film back. All right, so right now it's locked in at 4K and I have details tile rendering, and yeah guys, we got a nice looking image, nice looking rendering, and don't forget to hit that like button for me, and we'll be back with another one.